welcome back to Speak Easy English, the podcast that makes learning English feel like a friendly, real-life conversation instead of a boring classroom.
And I'm Marcus, your calm, logical co-host who tries very hard to stop Diana from panic ordering snacks during every episode.
Listen, today's topic is literally about delivery people, so ordering snacks was research. Very serious research.
Sure, scientific research in the name of French fries. But yes, today's episode is extremely practical. How to talk to delivery boys in English.
Food delivery, grocery delivery, online shopping, gifts, everything arrives at our door these days, and using the right English phrases can make the whole moment polite, smooth, and confident.
Exactly. And let's be honest, a lot of people freeze when the delivery person calls. Suddenly, all the English they know just vanishes.
You pick up the call and go, "Hello, yes, okay, coming, sorry, bye," like a confused GPS system.
We've all been there. But that ends today. After this episode, you'll handle every delivery conversation like a calm expert.
And here's your hook for today. The words you use with delivery people show your confidence, kindness, and communication skills, even if the conversation is only 10 seconds long.
Exactly. And we're going to give you simple, beginner-friendly sentences that make you sound polite and clear every time.
So, take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy this episode. Let's jump right in.
All right, let's start with the moment that scares most people. The delivery person calls your phone. Your screen lights up, and suddenly your English decides to take a mini vacation.
It's true. People know what to say in their head, but when the call comes, they freeze like a statue in a museum.
So let's make this super easy. The most common line you'll hear is, "Hi, I'm outside." Now, what do you say?
Beginner-friendly version number 1, "Okay, I'm coming." Short, simple, confident.
Version 2, "Please wait one moment." This is perfect when you need a few seconds to grab your keys or walk to the door.
And if you live in a building or a place with multiple entrances, you can guide them by saying, "Could you please come to the main entrance?"
Or even, "I'm near the front door. You'll see me." These small sentences help the delivery person find you quickly without confusion.
And here's a great tip. Your tone matters more than your vocabulary. Even simple English sounds very polite with a friendly voice.
Yes, kindness translates in every language. And trust me, delivery people appreciate it a lot because they deal with weather, traffic, delays, everything.
Exactly. So your calm, polite English can make their job a little easier. And it makes you sound more confident, too.
Now, let's move to the moment when you actually meet the delivery person. This part is important because your face-to-face interaction shows your politeness, confidence, and basic communication skills.
Right. And honestly, beginner learners often overthink this moment. They think they need fancy English. But the truth is, simple words work best.
Exactly. The first thing you say is just a friendly hi or hello. Global, warm, and easy. This instantly makes the interaction smooth.
Then you can follow with appreciation. "Thank you for delivering this." It's a small sentence, but it makes a big difference.
Absolutely. Delivery workers spend long hours carrying packages, food, groceries, sometimes climbing stairs, dealing with weather, dealing with heavy bags. So one polite sentence can genuinely brighten their day.
And here's the best part. Politeness makes you feel more confident too. When you start with kindness, the whole conversation becomes easier.
Now, if you want to make the moment even smoother, you can add a simple confirmation phrase. "Is this for Diana?" or whatever your name is.
Yes, because sometimes they deliver to many people in the same building, so confirming politely avoids any confusion.
And if you want to be extra friendly, you can end with, "Thanks, have a great day." Short, positive, and globally used.
Exactly. Global English doesn't need long sentences. It needs clarity, kindness, and a friendly tone.
All right, now let's go deeper into something everyone faces:
asking questions politely. Because sometimes you need to confirm details, pay money, sign something, or clarify the order.
Yes, and many beginners feel nervous at this point. They worry they'll say something wrong. But trust us, polite English is actually super simple.
Let's start with the most basic question, confirming the order. You can say, "Is this my order?" or "Is this the package for me?"
Both are easy, clean, and used everywhere globally. No complicated grammar at all.
Now, let's talk about payments. Sometimes you need to ask the amount. You can say, "How much do I need to pay?"
Or even simpler, what's the total?
Exactly. And if you need to sign something, for example, a package delivery, just say, "Where should I sign?"
Perfect sentence. It shows respect, clarity, and confidence all in just 4 words.
Another very useful question is, "Do you need a code?" This is helpful when deliveries require a one-time code or verification.
Yes, and the delivery person will appreciate that you're prepared. It shows you're trying to make their job easier.
And that's the secret of polite English. Not big vocabulary, but simple sentences with a friendly attitude.
Exactly. Communication becomes smooth when both sides feel respected and understood.
Let's make this even more fun. Time for a small mini story, because real-life stories help you remember phrases better than any grammar lesson ever will.
Oh no. Is this about your famous smoothie incident? Please tell me you didn't confuse the delivery guy again.
Okay, fine. Yes. I ordered a smoothie yesterday, and the delivery person called saying, "Hi, I'm at your building, but I can't find your entrance."
Classic. And let me guess, you said something dramatic like, "Look to the sky, I'm waving from the clouds."
No, I behaved like a responsible adult. For once, I said, "I'm near the north entrance. I'll wave at you."
See? That's perfect. Simple direction, clear message, no confusion, no drama.
Exactly. And the delivery guy found me immediately. So here's what our listeners can learn. Use short, clear direction phrases like, "I'm at the main entrance." "I'm on the right side." "You'll see me near the door."
These sentences are gold. They're beginner-friendly and work in every country: USA, UK, Philippines, South Africa, everywhere. Clear English is universal.
And remember, delivery workers often have many stops to make. So when you give clear directions, you're helping them save time and energy.
And you avoid misunderstandings, delays, and awkward moments where both of you are standing in the wrong place wondering where the other person went.
Yes, that happens more often than people admit. All right, now let's go deeper into direction phrases, because honestly, this is where people struggle the most. Clear directions can turn a stressful moment into a smooth, friendly interaction.
Yes, and delivery workers really appreciate when someone guides them politely. It saves time, avoids confusion, and keeps the whole experience positive for both sides.
So here are some super useful, beginner-friendly direction sentences you can use right away. Take the left, go straight. I'm near the front gate. I'm on the ground floor.
All of these are simple, short, and global. No complicated words, just clear instructions.
Here's another one. You can leave it at the door. This is helpful when you want contactless delivery or you're busy inside your home.
Yes, and you can also say, you can put it on the table, or you can place it here.
These phrases help the delivery person know exactly what you expect. And trust me, clear instructions make everything smoother for them.
And here's a powerful communication rule. When your English is simple, your confidence becomes stronger. You don't need fancy vocabulary, you need clarity.
Exactly. Think of these phrases like tiny tools in a toolbox. You don't need 100 tools, just the right ones.
And once you practice these, you'll speak naturally without overthinking. That's the real goal of everyday English.
Now let's talk about something really important.
Being polite even when there's a small problem with the delivery, because it happens to everyone. Wrong item, missing item, or you receive something you didn't order.
Yes, and beginners often panic in these situations. They think they need advanced English to explain the issue. But actually, simple, calm sentences work the best.
For example, if the item is wrong, you can say, I think this is not my order. Or, this looks different from what I ordered.
Perfect. Short, clear, and respectful. No blame, no negativity, just information.
If something is missing, try, I think one item is missing.
And if you're not sure, you can say, could you please check the order again?
Yes, and here's a great tip for beginners. Speak slowly. When you're calm, delivery workers understand you better and the conversation stays easy.
And remember, mistakes happen. Delivery workers don't make errors on purpose. So a polite tone makes the situation better for everyone.
Exactly. Kindness is free, but it creates a smoother experience for both sides. And honestly, polite English always sounds more confident than angry English.
Well said. Politeness is a global language.
Now, let's talk about the final moment of every delivery, saying goodbye politely. This is small, but it leaves a big impression. It shows respect, gratitude, and social confidence.
Yes, and people often rush this part. They take the package, close the door, and forget that one tiny sentence can make the whole interaction warm and positive.
A very simple goodbye is, thank you so much, or thanks, have a nice day.
Both are globally used and super friendly. These lines work in the USA, UK, Philippines, South Africa, literally anywhere.
And here's one more that I personally love. Thanks, stay safe. It's short but meaningful, especially for people who work outdoors all day.
Exactly. These small expressions show emotional intelligence. They make you sound polite, mature, and confident, all at the same time.
Yes, and here's another great tip. Smile. Even if your English isn't perfect, a smile makes everything easier. Kindness is universal.
True. A friendly tone and a warm expression can fix half the communication problems in the world. English just becomes the tool. Your attitude is the real magic.
And that's why delivery conversations are such good practice for beginners. They're short, simple, and happen often, so you get many chances to improve without pressure.
Exactly. And every time you speak politely, you build confidence. Step by step, sentence by sentence, you grow.
Now let's bring everything together with one more relatable moment. When the delivery arrives at the wrong time. Maybe you're busy, maybe you're in the middle of something important, or maybe you just woke up and sound like a sleepy robot.
Yes, and beginners often panic at this point. But don't worry, you can handle this situation politely with very simple English.
For example, if you need a minute, you can say, please wait, I'm on my way. Or, give me one moment, I'm coming.
Perfect. No stress, no rush, just a calm request. Delivery workers hear this all the time, so it's totally normal.
And if you really need a little extra time because you're busy, try, I'll be there in 1 minute. This sounds polite, clear, and respectful of their time.
Exactly. And here's another very useful one. Could you please wait near the entrance? This helps the delivery person stay in the right place while you get ready.
Also, sometimes the delivery person arrives earlier than expected. In that case, you can say, you're early. Please wait, I'm coming. It's friendly and keeps the interaction comfortable.
And remember, these short sentences are more than just words. They help you sound confident, mature, and socially comfortable, even if your English is basic.
Yes, and the more often you use these tiny phrases, the faster they become automatic. Delivery conversations are amazing little practice sessions for your daily English.
Exactly. Every delivery is like a mini English lesson delivered right to your door, and you improve without even realizing it.
All right, Marcus, time for the closing moment. Let's wrap this up with the biggest lesson of all. Speaking politely to delivery workers is not just about English, it's about kindness, confidence, and respect.
Exactly. Delivery workers help us every single day. Rain, heat, traffic, long routes, heavy bags, and still they show up with a smile. A few simple English sentences can make their day a little brighter.
And the best part? You don't need complicated English, just clear, warm phrases like, thank you, please wait one moment, have a great day. These tiny sentences show huge confidence.
Right. When you speak politely, you sound more mature, more global, and more socially confident, even if you're a beginner. And that confidence keeps growing with every delivery conversation you have.
So, next time the doorbell rings or your phone vibrates with a delivery call, don't panic. Just breathe, smile, and use the easy English we practiced today. You've got this.
And hey, if today's episode helped you feel even 1% more confident, then do something for us too. Hit the like button. It really helps our podcast grow and reach more learners around the world.
Yes, and leave a comment below telling us which phrase you're going to practice next time you meet a delivery worker. We love reading your comments, and we reply to as many as we can.
And of course, subscribe to the Speakeasy English podcast so you never miss our fun, friendly episodes. We're here every week to help you grow your English step by step.
All right, everyone, stay kind, stay confident, and keep practicing your everyday English. This is Diana.
And Marcus, signing off. See you in the next episode.